Hi guys, welcome to AC Technical. Today we are going to tackle a question that confuses a lot of laptop and PC users. How do you install Intel GPU drivers, and more importantly, should you use the driver from your laptop manufacturer or go straight to Intel? In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process and help you to decide which driver is actually better for your system. So let's get started. First, let's identify your GPU. On Windows, just press Windows plus X key combination and choose Device Manager. Then expand Display Adapters. Here you will see something like Intel UHD graphics or Intel Iris Xe. Make a note of this. It helps later when you choose the correct driver. Now go to Intel official website. Then go to support section. Now download and install the Intel driver and support assistant. After that, launch it. It auto detects your hardware and lists available driver updates. Now click on install and let it handle everything. You might think, why use this? It's easy, automatic, and gives you the latest Intel drivers updates. Go to Intel Download Center. Search for your GPU model, for example Intel UHD or Intel Iris Xe graphics. Download the .exe installer and run it. Note, always download the .exe, not the .zip file unless you know how to manually install through Device Manager. Visit your OEM support page, I mean your laptop manufacturer website, for example Acer, Dell, HP, Lenovo, etc. Now go to support section, then go to driver support section. Enter your laptop's model number. Now download the GPU driver update they provide. Now let me tell you why use this. These are custom tuned for your specific laptop model. It's especially important for your systems with dual GPUs or power sensitive configurations. If you are a casual user or gamer and want the newest feature and update, Intel drivers might be better. But if your laptop has hybrid graphics, custom power profiles, or you have had issues with overheating, the OEM driver is the safer choice. Please note carefully, if your laptop is from brand like Acer, HP, Dell, Lenovo and uses switchable graphics like Intel plus Nvidia, in that case, Intel generic driver might mess with that setup and you may lose power saving features and break brightness controls. And that's it. I hope this helped you to understand Intel GPU drivers and choose a right one for your needs. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.